Alright folks, I want to quickly make a thumbnail of me teaching about the Chrome extension development. So it's kind of a development, and so what I want to do is to using the basic shape to quickly create it. Okay, so I think a website, a web page may be a very good example. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create a basic shape, and then I'm going to make this field with color. Let me just use the color picker here. Maybe I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller, so everything will become pretty clear. Let me fill that with which color and which color. Maybe bluish color. Okay, so bluish, maybe a little bit more. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Just nearly. Oh, this is just a gray. That'll be too much. Tilted. Yeah, this as a neutral background, and also I want it to be rounded so become more approachable, right? And also I'd like to maybe make it brighter. Okay, I want to do a little bit challenge, so I'm going to make this a little bit brighter. Oh, sorry. Go here, click, and make it brighter. Even more bright and desaturated. Just a gentle tilt. Okay. So yeah, once it is done, I think it's good to replicate the whole rectangle. Should I replicate, or should I maybe add a gentle stroke of outline? I'm going to add a stroke outline, and I'm going to make it a little bit, just a little bit, so it's not so flat. Maybe 8 pixels, so maybe not, maybe a little bit thinner, like 6 pixel, maybe 3. Change my mind, maybe 3. Okay, so once it is done, we can duplicate the whole thing. So Command C and V, duplicate the whole thing, and then we can, using this movement tool, to just make one stack above each other. And what I'm trying to do is to, what about okay, if I do that, it will just do, let's not link this, right? Let's not link this, so I can do that still. I want to make it, yeah, this will be 0, the left side will be 0, and the right side will be 0. Okay, so you get the same upper part. I'm going to make this here, and I'm going to fill that with some sort of greenish color, so it's more like a browser. Okay, so boom, fill that with a greenish color. Okay, pretty neutral greenish color. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Okay, so after that I can input say circular shape. So elliptical tool, I'm going to add, I think, well, it's just similar to this. So just holding shifts, I think we can get like a 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and then I can move it. It's like a Lego, so I can just do that one by one, which feels brilliant. And for like closing, this is preferably like a reddish color. Okay, so I'm going to use this red, and this will be maybe which color? Oh, yellowish color. So just select a yellowish color, because all this is like pre-concept, pre-educated neuron in everyone's mind, so it's sort of like a mind hack. So just use all this color and everything will just without explanation, this is just, oh, that's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. Yeah, so since it's like a extension, so we want to add some like extend this extension, so maybe use a custom shape or polygon tool. Let me use a polygon tool. Okay, so extension is more like a cog or more like a piece of jigsaw. So what I try to do is to make it more prominent, make it just basically bigger. So okay, but that's obviously too much. Maybe just using customers line to achieve that. So I think, well, let me look at the Chrome browser, something like this. Okay, maybe holding shift. Yeah, so just one. Yeah, this is not good. Arrowheads. Should I do arrowheads? Yeah. Maybe just using a rasterized layer, because I don't think this is good for drawing. Yeah, let me use the rasterized layer to indicate this is like interesting creativity parts. So maybe use this color. Yeah, let's just use this color and brush. And then what I'm going to do is to create a jigsaw. Okay, and here, okay, maybe something like this. I like a G to just to fill everything. Command T to move, and this will say seems pretty crude, but don't worry, we can just finish this. And what I'm going to do is to add a stroke. This is like just like this feeling, like remember this me, you know, I add a stroke. Add a stroke like this, and it will automatically get this feeling. Should I use this color, or should I use let me double click this stroke so I can choose the color? I think maybe just a pretty neutral white color. Yeah, seems pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is to duplicate this like multiple times, and hopefully I can change this to like different color, just to make things even more interesting. Okay, so yeah, first command enter to finish. Maybe use we go with green yellowish color. Okay, let me try this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And command C and V. Yeah, but it seems that this color is like I'm making things up. Okay, I think why not choose the color like a raster layer like this. Okay, so yeah, I changed my mind. I'm going to like flip this, so I'm going to create a visual representation that's kind of opposite of this. Okay. Oh, this is the which layer? The right side, right? The center side. So I'm going to color pick here. I'm going to get it here. I'm going to color pick here. I'm going to get it here. So I flip it a little bit. Okay, so yeah, seems pretty good. So yeah, so basically jigsaw, maybe I'm going to like put the jigsaw together. Doesn't really matter. I think this is pretty good, just because I introduced like a 3 Chrome extension example in my bootcamp, so I think, well, this is very good. Yeah, let's stop there.